So here I just want to show that beta thing, like beta t comma r is like p of st plus 1 to Sn minus 1 given x, like how alpha derivation we have done, like that only we need to do. And this thing will be s of t plus 1 to till Sn plus 1, that is like mapping to Sr plus 2 Sk, right? Now we'll do the further derivation. So then, like solving that, we will get like this, t plus 1 to Sn minus 1. So t plus 1 for suppose is Sr, if t plus 1 is Sr plus 1, because St is equal to Sr, we have taken that into alpha consideration, so need not to consider again in beta. So in beta, like it's backward algo, and alpha is like a forward algo. So st plus 1 is equal to, if it is Sr and st plus 1 is Sr plus 1, so st plus 2 till Sn minus 1, everything we need to do. So this again plus we have having over here, these are the notation, you can see the indices. And then here what we can do is st plus 1 is equal to Sr given x, this thing we can just take it, and this thing is common, right? T plus 2 that we can just take it over here, given st plus 1 is equal to Sr. So we are just taking this thing and this thing over here, and again joint probability, Bayes theorem, conditional probability, like that. And again independence, like p of a and b intersection b is p of a into p of b, like if we have independent events or independent probabilities. And again same goes for this, so this for this it is this, and for this it is this. So t plus 1 is equal to Sr is this one. So it is Sr plus 1, it is Sr plus 1. So st is equal to Sr over here, st plus 1 is equal to Sr plus 1, and everything t plus 2, this thing will be same, Sr plus 1, and here st1 plus is equal to Sr, and here st plus 1 is equal to Sr plus 1, and here it is st1 plus is equal to st plus 1 is equal to Sr, st plus 1 is equal to Sr plus 1 over here. Now what happens is, like st plus 1 is equal to Sr given x, we can just take this like into this, like whatever all those terms in the same thing, we have that, and then we will multiply that with this thing, because we are taking common term is like so we are multiplying this, with this thing, and then adding, and then we are taking this and multiplying with this thing. So this thing we have got from here directly, and this thing is this one, we can just neglect this whole thing, st plus 1 is equal to Sr, because again independence, probability, joint probability, conditional probability, Bayes theorem, like that. So they are independent, you can just given that target symbol, actual target symbol sequence or input symbol sequence, plus this thing as it is from here, and this thing whole we are writing, we are not taking writing this thing over here. Now we can write this thing as this thing, we can write this as yt plus 1 given Sr, right? So probability of that particular Sr letter at t plus 1 position, given that is not there, just probability, independent probability, individual probability, and this whole equation, and this whole equation is can be expressed as beta t plus 1 comma r, right? And this thing can be yt plus 1 Sr plus 1, because t plus 1 is r plus 1 is there over here, t plus 1 there, here r is there, and this whole term, the bottom term, write it over here, this thing is nothing but beta t plus 1 r plus 1, because we have t plus 1 we are going, and we are taking that as here, as you can see t plus 1 is equal to r plus 1 we are choosing, that's why we are writing this, and this term, and this term is coming from this, right? T plus 1 is equal to r, that's why we are writing t plus 1 is equal to r. We are just not writing this over here, just given that x we are doing, so that we know that we like it is indirectly or implicitly, explicitly, it is like this. This condition is there, t plus 1 is equal to r. So beta t plus 1 is equal to comma r, and this one is beta t plus 1 comma r plus 1. T plus 1 is equal to r plus 1. So that is there actually. Now what I can do is, now what I can show you is like beta t comma r is equal to yt plus 1 s of r into beta t plus 1 comma r plus yt plus 1 s r plus 1 beta t plus 1 comma r plus 1. Right, now here you need to understand is like, if st plus 1, st is equal to sr, the condition is not that is happened here in alpha itself. So we have considered in alpha, so we need not to consider in beta again. So here st plus 1 is equal to sr, like we did in alpha, all those things we have did, and further we have did over here, and again these things which we are doing in alpha we are showing it over again. If it is equal to sr, then what happens is st plus 2 can be, it's like decreasing or going downwards, right? So it will be like r count will be increasing only because we are just going in this direction. So st plus 2 can be, it can be sr or sr plus 1 only, and if st plus 1 is equal to sr plus 1, then st plus 2 can be sr plus 1 or sr plus 2. And then again get rid of conditional dependency, conditional independence. So get rid of conditional dependency, nothing but conditional independence. So what happens is like, again we can write, again if this is the case, if st plus 2 is equal to sr, we can write like st plus 3 or st plus 4, it can be sr, st plus some x, it can range from further like 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, something like that, it goes on. So if it is sr means the next one can be sr or sr plus 1. If it is sr plus 1 here means next one can be sr plus 1, sr plus 2. And if you're taking this thing, so if it is sr plus 1 then it can be sr plus 2 or sr plus 1 itself. If it is sr plus 2 it can be sr plus 2 or it can be sr plus 3 or plus 4, it will going like that. So that's the case.